There are several million drones in Europe. The question is, how can we keep the airspace safe with 5 million unmanned aerial vehicles flying all over without their colliding with other air traffic users? What the drone market needs is an online electronic registration plate for drones that would create an easy communication network between drone pilots, drones, and air traffic authorities. A group from the Czech Technical University came up with such a device. They call it Dronetag. And it is a full package, a device, cloud platform, and a mobile app, all in one. The device receives GNSS navigation signal and then sends its position and identification data to the cloud platform. The platform communicates with authorities such as air navigation services and other drone pilots, and the drone is visible on the map for everybody in real time. Drones are no longer used just for taking cute beach pictures for your summer vacation. More and more often, they are employed in various industries, for agricultural planning or for high-voltage power line inspections, etc. This also adds to their growing numbers in the airspace. Dronetag not only helps make the situation safer, but also opens the door for the future. The management platform and thus the overall coordination brings many possibilities, as unlimited flight and attachment of peripherals. So in the future, drones can be used to transport vital loads such as blood samples or organs. The pilot wants to fly his drone. He opens up the Dronetag mobile app and simply draws his flight plan. The app then shares this information with the authorities. The request can be approved automatically or by the authorities. The new European regulation requires that almost all drones be registered and that they broadcast their position and identification data. The Dronetag is ready to answer those needs and make the airspace more secure. Meet Dronetag, one of the incubatees in the European Space Agency Business Incubator that brings space for your ideas.